Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today is a beauty day and I am sharing my November Ipsy Glam Bag Plus with you. I say this every single month that I record and open my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus boxes. I truly love them. I feel like they introduce me to products that I normally wouldn't try on my own. And I personally prefer skincare to makeup. I'm scared of makeup. I'm scared of a lot of makeup. I just don't know how to apply my makeup very well. And I don't know how to be adventurous with it. I'm just kind of nervous to be adventurous with it. And I feel like skincare is so important. And I feel like Ipsy does a great job of balancing their skincare with their makeup. So yes, I do get some makeup products, but I also get some really good skincare products. So that's one of the reasons why I love Ipsy so much. And I feel like I'm getting my $25 worth every single month. So they do send you for the Glam Bag Plus 5 full-size products for $25, which is not bad. So I did decide this month as well to try 2 of the pieces. So I was gonna try a couple more, but I said, let's start with 2. So I put on 2 of the 5 pieces to share with you and show you how it looks on. So I'll start with those and then we'll go through the other 3 pieces. So I'll start with the lipstick. So my lip color, isn't it pretty? So this is one of the colors that I received in my Ipsy Plus box this month. I saw their YouTube channel is called Southern Bells, and they're a mother and daughter team, and they have a really good channel. I love watching them. They were unboxing their Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box over the weekend, and I saw them pull out this lipstick, and I was like, oh, I have to have this lipstick. Look how beautiful the packaging is. But you open it up, and the color is even more gorgeous. How pretty is that for fall? It's like a good burgundy. So I have it on my lips. So it has more of it has some red undertones. Really pretty. And I am going to wear this a lot. I can tell you that. So this is my first time wearing it. I just put it on this morning. Let's talk about it. So this is by Belle and Argent. It's the Artour Cream Lip Color in Smoking on Screen. That's the name of the color, Smoking on Screen. The value is $26. So we think this might be the most perfect fall lipstick ever. Yes, it is. I love it and I will be wearing it a lot. I can tell you that. Made by Belle and Argent, a cruelty-free and vegan brand, this deep berry shade with blue-red undertones is infused with argan and jojoba oils to nourish and protect while coating your lips in creamy color. And this feels really nice. It's very smooth. It went on very smooth. I only had to put on really 1 layer of it, which was nice. And this is gonna be my go-to fall color. The texture, it just feels great. I can tell the consistency is very nice too. So I'm really happy I got this. So yeah, and look at the packaging is just a bonus. So the other thing that I decided to try before sharing with you, I painted my nails. So they sent me a nail polish, and I love getting nail polishes because most of the time I do my own nails. So isn't the color pretty? It is dark, so I know dark is not for everybody. So it's more of a purpley color, deep burgundy. I did put 2 coats on of this color. Let's talk about it. And talk about good packaging. Look at that. Hopefully you can see the gold. So at first I thought, oh goodness, how am I going to paint my nails with this huge gold top on it? Nope, comes right off. So the applicator is just this, has a black handle, so it's a lot easier to put on than I thought it was going to be. So you can see on screen, the purple, whoops, can you see it this way? Like the shade of purple, it's very pretty. Let me tell you a little bit about it. So that's how it looks on my nails, as you can see, or as you have seen. So it says, the Smith & Colt Nail Lacquer and Bite Your Kiss. The value is $18. A brand that embraces expression through beauty, like our mission, is one we can get behind. And their colors are always on or ahead of trends. This high shine polish goes on smooth and lasts for days without chipping, and the deep plum shade is perfect for updating your fall mani. I agree. I think it's a great deep plum color. And I'm looking forward to having this for the rest of the fall season. I do like a good dark nail color. And like I said, I often do my own nails. I don't know if I'd pay $18 for a nail polish, but maybe, because since I do my own, if you go and get your nails done, it costs a lot more than that. So this is gonna be spread out, and this is a good size nail polish. So I'm very happy to have that. Let's talk about the rest of the items that I did not try yet. This, I can't wait to try. This is by Ilamasqua. And let me show you the package. So here it is. Very sleek looking, right? So let's read about it. So this is the Ilamasqua Hydra Veil Primer. It's valued at $45. So the ultimate time saver, Hydra Veil, is both a hydrator and a primer, instantly moisturizing and smoothing your skin in one simple step. The futuristic clear gel formula absorbs quick, so it's the perfect step before foundation application. So let's see. Ooh, this is probably an applicator. Look, that's the top of the container. Is this an applicator? I can't get it. Oh, no, you guys are probably screaming at your screen. It's not an applicator. Is it? I can't tell. No, I think it's just the handle. Let me know, but, ooh. Oh, wow. Yeah, this is a gel. It's not coming out. Wow. Ooh. Look at, oh, hang on. Let me put it down so I can show you. Wow, that is a gel. Oh, this is nice. And it smells really nice. It's not strong. It's a very faint smell. Very feminine, a little bit of floral. I like that a lot. Oh, and look what it did to my hand. How beautiful compared to this one. Yeah. Oh, I love, I can't wait to try it on my face. All right, I'll update you on that one, but if you know what this is it just part of the handle? I don't want to, oh, it came off, so I'm guessing it is an applicator. Yep, so I just answered my own question. It does come with a little applicator. So, yep, I went from going from it was a handle to not a handle, back to a handle. Yep, it's an applicator. Okay. The next thing I see is by Ciate London, and it says Dewy Sticks. So this says it is, a Dewy Sticks and Glow. It's valued at $26. Want a glow that looks like your skin but better? Try this glossy stick illuminator from British beauty brand Ciate London, beloved for their on-trend and innovative products. This gel-like balm is made with muru, I don't know if I'm saying that right, butter, and hyaluronic acid to add instant radiance to your skin. So it's probably like a highlighter stick. I think we got a highlighter stick last month, and I actually have been using it. Can you tell I got a little shine? And I really like it. Ooh. Can you see that? Yeah. Ooh. Gives a little bit, well, it's probably not the best hand to do it on because I primed it. There you go. This will be nice. Oh, I didn't show you. I'm sorry. So here's the container. And it's very balmy feeling. So I'll report back on this one too. I think last time, oh, and we got something from Ciate London last time or the time before. It was like a powder, which I've been using. It's a setting powder, and I really like it. And then lastly, I took it out of the box. This is by Gigi Gorgeous, and here it is. So this is the Sick Sculpt Bronzer Duo in Turnt and Extra, valued at $24. Named for the YouTube personality, author, and activist, Gigi Gorgeous is a limited edition and Ipsy exclusive collection of essentials to get you glowing on your own terms. These versatile shades can be worn alone or layered for a bespoke bronzing effect. So here it is. Oh, I can't get it open. I have such a hard time getting, oh, you're probably yelling at the screen again. Look it. Pops right open. Oh, ooh, this is really pretty. I'm excited to try this one out too. This looks a little light for me, but we'll see. All right, so that was my, oh, no, one more thing. Are you ready for this? So now every Glam Bag Plus, we used to get them just with the Glam Bags, but every Glam Bag Plus, we get a bag. Isn't this the perfect bag for me? I am so excited for this bag. And I use these bags for so much. So this is like a cheetah print bag. It's got a little bit of pink in it. It zips here. Inside is brown. Love the little brown tassels. So throw this in my purse. I can throw, you know, some makeup in here and throw it in my purse so I can do some touch-ups and things like that. So I'm happy to have this. So that's exciting. Okay, so that was my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So we got the bag, we got the dewy sticks, we got the nail polish, which I love. We got the Illamasqua hydrating veil, which, oh, this is gonna be great. The lipstick, which I will be using every day. Let me put a little layer on, actually. Darken it up a little bit. Yep. And we'll just swatch it for you again. Oh, that's on my primer. That's not gonna work. See? Yep. I'm gonna be using this a lot. This is going right into my purse. And then we got the GG Bronzer Duo. What do you think? What did you get in your Ipsy Plus box? Let me know what's your favorite product. So I don't know if I have a favorite. I loved this box. So I'm looking forward to watching those of you that have or get Ipsy Plus boxes. Looking forward to see what you receive as well. Thank you for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video.